what I am saying is, if you are getting 2 today, you will not feel stressed. Okay? Failure means what? First attempt in learning. Okay? So we can't feel stressed because that too you got today and it has passed. But then you will feel tense today in this moment. You will lose the future 7. So what you want to hold? The 2 that has passed or the 7 that has to come? What you want to hold? Tell me guys please.
The 7.
Loudly. What you want to hold?
The 7.
So how you will hold that 7? And you know, any time in your life when you are sad, you need to remember me. I'm Nisha. Okay? You have to remember me. And when you remember me, what you need to do? Okay? You have to have a smile on your face. I want this promise from all of you. Promise me? Yes. So whenever you feel sad, what you will do? Lisa. Like that. Okay? When you are feeling sad, what you will say? Okay? I don't want you to feel sad in your life. Any situation, anything happen. We can fight in everything when we are in our mind. But when we lose our mind, when we are sad, you know, our body responds the emotion. See, there is a fear. Lots of people become paralyzed because of fear, because of sad news. So it means our body responds. So when you are laughing, when you are smiling, the problem is afraid of you. You know, someone is bullying you and you don't respond. You don't care. The person will stop bullying. The problem is like a bullying friend. So when you don't respond and you laugh, probably will feel, oh, no need of me, stay here. Is it or not? So ready guys? So how many laughter we have learned? Speaking. How we do speaking? Speaking. Okay? Speaking like this. Like we laugh. Telephone laughter. Telephone. Okay? Someone make your joke. Okay? Now, the final laughter. See, this laughter will keep all your problems away. Like that. Okay, come on. This is called lion laughter. Lion. Okay? So, just be like this. Tongue out. You have to roll.
Amar.
Roll.
Yes, guys.
Come on, loudly. Now start. Lion laughter. Energy, you guys. Come on. Energy.
You guys are ready? 3, 2, 1.
Tongue out, tongue out. You will throw. So you have lots of garbage in your mind, garbage of stress. So what we need to do is
Throw it away.
okay, so full of energy, full of love.
Yes.
You see, when the session will end, I will give a special.
Give so much of your energy to others throughout the day. Now it is your turn to feel relaxed.
It was 2 young girls called Seema and Azusa whose parents, William and Jasmine, were never on the same page. They would always fight until a point it got violent, but Seema and Azusa had enough of their fighting. Stop! No! But then one day they realized they should not look at the bad things in life and focus on the good things, forget about the past, because if you stay in the past you will not grow. So they thought about Nisha! The yoga session was really entertaining and it felt really good to me because I was able to unleash my inner child and forget all about the stresses that we face in our daily lives as students in DP1. And although there's a lot of workload and a lot of pressure that we have because of the exams that we have, it was really good to just take a break and just unleash our inner child and have fun, think about the good things in life and how we should focus on the future and not just get stuck on the past, and always be optimistic.
Diffuse stress with laughter. Clear brain fog. Heal social friction. Ground your mind. Join us.